Hello student, I am going to teach you EVS. Our topic is people at work. Before starting the chapter, I would like to ask you a few questions related to this. Yes, your first question is, what should we need to purchase good food like pizza, burger, good clothes and your favorite toys? Do you know? We need money to purchase all these things. So, how can we earn money? Yes, we can earn money by doing different work. Okay, student, tell me who cuts our hair? Barber. Who drives the car? Driver. Yes, okay. And who teaches us? Teacher. Correct. So, these people at work like barber, driver, teacher, so on are called our community helpers. Let's start the chapter. Look at the picture and identify their occupation. The first picture of your book is doctor, and second with the black coat is waiter, and third picture is of tailor, and last is grocer. Very good. Now move to the paragraph. Each one of us need money to meet his or her needs of life. What do you mean by this line? Means everyone needs money to fulfill our desire or basic needs of life. To earn money, people do different types of work. Kinds of work a person does to earn money is called occupation. Means when a person do some work to earn money, to earn a living is called occupation. Am I clear to you? Now there are different types of work. People have different occupation. Some of common occupation of people are discussed in chapter. Now let's move to next page. Our first heading is mending and fitting. These type of occupation include repairing different kinds of things. People who are involved in these occupations include motor mechanics, electricians, plumbers and cobblers. You can see the first picture of this heading. First picture is of mechanic. What does a mechanic do? Mechanic fixes machines and vehicles. Second picture is of plumber. Plumber repairs water taps and pipes. Third picture is of cobbler. What does a cobbler do? Cobbler mends our footwear. One more occupation is also there, that is electrician. What does electrician do? Electrician checks and fits electric wires and switches. I hope this full paragraph is clear to you. Mending and fitting include those occupations who used to do repairing of things, different kinds of things like mechanic, electrician, plumber and cobbler. Now this is time to move new paragraph, that is selling things. There are some people who sells different things. We buy these things from them in the market. They may be stationer, draper, florist, greengrocer, etc. Okay, selling things. Selling things is an occupation in which some people sells different things, and we purchase all these things from market, mall and mart. The person of this occupation may be Stationer. Who is stationer? Stationer who sells writing equipment, for example pen, pencil, paper, envelope, etc. Second is draper. Who is draper? Draper who sells designer clothes. Next is florist. Who is florist? Florist is who sells flowers. Greengrocer. What does greengrocer do? Greengrocer sells vegetables and fruits. These all occupations are included in selling things. Next paragraph is providing services. There are many people who provide useful services for different types. Such people include teacher, doctor, police, pilot, driver, nurse, etc. So what do you understand by this paragraph? Providing services. The people who provide services to the people, it can be a different type, are included in providing services. What are the examples of providing services? Like teacher. What does teacher do? Teacher teaches in school and colleges. What does doctor do? Doctor treats patients. What does policeman do? Policeman maintains law and order. Next is pilot. What does pilots do? Pilots fly aircraft like aeroplane. Next is nurse. What does nurse do? Nurse take care of sick people and assist doctor, etc. We can include guard in providing services also. What does guard do? Guard our house. What does watchman do? Watchman guards our house. I hope I am clear to this topic. Now move to next page. Our next heading is making and producing things. There are people who produce or make different things. There are so many people who produce means who make, who prepare different things, who made different things. Some of them are carpenters, tailors, masons, shoemakers, farmers, potters, bakers, etc. Do you know what does carpenter do? Carpenters make furniture. What does tailors do? Tailors stitch our clothes. What does mason do? Masons build houses and buildings. What does shoemaker do? Shoemakers design footwear. What does farmers do? Farmers grow crops and vegetables. What does potters do? Potters make pots. What does bakers do? Bakers bakes in the oven like cakes, cookie, etc. You can see the pictures of related to this category: farmer, mason, potter. I think this paragraph is also clear to you. Now move to learn and grow. What is there in your book? Kailash Satyarthi was awarded the Nobel Peace Prize in 2014. and he was, who was he? He was an Indian. He was an Indian person. As well as him, Malala Yousafzai was also awarded in the Nobel Peace Prize, and she belongs to Pakistan. Next, Mr. Satyarthi is a social worker. Do you know what does a social worker do? Social worker is a person who works for welfare of the society or who do good deeds for the society. So what does Kailash Satyarthi do? Kailash Satyarthi was a social worker. He was against child labor and advocated the universal rights of education. He was the founder of multiple social activist organizations including Bachpan Bachao Andolan, Global March Against Child Labor, Kailash Satyarthi, Children's Foundations. As well as him, there are so many persons who has served our nation like Mother Teresa, Annie Besant and Baba Amte was some other famous social worker of our country. Isn't it good things to learn about a person who serve, who do good work for their nation? Now move to the next paragraph, that is household work. In most of the family, either both the parents or one of them goes to work outside. They work to earn money so that the basic needs of family may be fulfilled. You must have seen in your houses also, most of the family have a person who work outside to earn money. Sometimes your mother do, sometimes your father do, sometimes both do. So they does. Okay. Next is basically they do the different types of work to earn money so that they can provide you good things and fulfill or complete your desire. Next is, in many families, mother is homemaker. In some of us family, our mother is homemaker or housewife. She take care of the household work. She cooks food, does household chores. Household chores means household daily tasks like dusting, cleaning, mopping, cooking. These are included daily chores or daily tasks, and look after their children also. These all work done by a mother. Apart from working outside, father also performs some household tasks like helping in kitchen to her wife, and both the parents help the children in their studying also. In this picture you can see mother, father and their two children. Mother is cooking food for kids and father and kids were helping her. Second picture is of, there is a greengrocer who is selling vegetables and fruits, and there is a mother and with their daughter. Mother is going to buy grocery. So these are the household work that is done by mother, and some work done by father also. I hope I am clear to this paragraph. Now move to last paragraph, that is children who help their parents in many ways. For instance, there are so many children, you children also help your parents at home, right? For intense means for example, sometimes you water plants, lay the table, dust the furniture, sometimes you help your mother to fill in water, and sometimes you help them to clean house, right? So these are also the household work which is done by mother with the help of other family member. Now mother also used to keep the clothes in the cupboard. Children, in that time also you can help them, and you can also set everything in proper order. Like you can see the picture, mother is there and the child is here. The child is cleaning the table, means she is helping to her mother. Leisure time. The time when you are free from any work is called leisure time. When you are free from your occupation, from your household work, that time is called leisure time. During this time, we choose to do something different from the daily work. Like whatever our daily routine is, we used to switch that routine and we do some different types of work, some interesting work. The best way to enjoy that this break from work, to have fun, to feel relaxed, this time is known as recreation, or in other word we used to say entertainment. For entertainment we play games, we used to watch movie, we spend time in a funniest way, and that time gives us feel relaxed. Okay, so it give us pleasure and motivate us to do our work in a best way. Whenever you will have leisure time and you do some recreation, it will give you pleasure and motivate to do some good work in a better way. Next is, a family spend leisure time performing a number of recreational activities. With the family also we do entertainment, like sometimes we go out together to watch movie, sometimes we go to visit circus, to visit zoo, right? Sometimes we visit mall also, we go for shopping. So these are the activity which we can perform with the family by spending leisure time. Children, this is time to go an extra mile. What do you like to do in your leisure time? You can paste few pictures of this in your scrapbook. This activity is so interesting, you can do it at home. You have to collect all the pictures that you used to spend your time for entertainment, and you can paste all the picture on a sheet, A4 sheet. Okay, now last paragraph of this page is, read this story of a boy who works in a tea shop and cannot go to school even if he wants to. The story is about a boy who works in tea shop and he wants to go to school but he cannot. Why? The story is about Raju. Raju is an 8-year-old boy. His father and his mother works at construction site. Means, what is the occupation of their parent? They may be mason or they may be labor. And leave early in the morning. and they went for their job and they leave their home at the early morning. Next is Raju wakes up at 5 a.m. This is good. Raju wakes up 5 a.m. so early in the morning, and he helps his parents also in household work. We have discussed what was household work. Raju is so good. He used to help their parent also. Then he leaves for the shop. After completing all the work, all the household work, he rushed to the shop where he works. There he makes tea and serves to the customer. Means Raju was performing the waiter's job. Which occupation is this? This is waiter's job. He used to make tea and also serves to the customer. He is often treated by badly his master. That is wrong. We should not disrespect to the child or any waiter or any helpers. So he was treated badly with his master. Master means the person who gives jobs to the Raju. Raju wants to go to school to study, but his parents do not have the money to pay his fees at school. As you people are studying in a school, Raju also wants to study, but his parents don't have money to pay his fees. And Raju is also having 3 other younger siblings. Means their parents have 3 other children, and they have to feed them also. Raju take care of them too. Raju take care of their younger siblings also. You can see the picture, child labor. When the person is doing job in an early age is called child labor. Child labor is a wrong practice, because before a child labor is a wrong practice, because this is the right time to get education. That is why we have discussed earlier. Who was that? Kailash Satyarthi. He was performing to help the child labor. He was against the child labor. He was advocating the rights of child education. Okay, move to the next page. Next page is, there are many children like Raju who wants to go to school but cannot do so due to lack of money. Like Raju, there are so many children now. You must have seen outside your home, on the road, who are spending their time in doing work. So that is wrong. They also want to go to school to study, but they don't have money. So they earn money for their families by cleaning cars, selling things on the street. You must have seen, right? On the road. So this practice is known as child labor. This practice is known as child labor. Next heading is how to prevent child labor. What is the meaning of prevent? Prevent means save. How can we save child from child labor? So the practice of child labor has been banned by the Government of India. Government of India has banned child labor practice now. Many social workers, like we must have learned about Kailash Satyarthi and so many workers who were against the child labor. They raises their voice against the child working in shops, factories, various places. So the government of India has also taken many important steps to end the practice of the child labor. After raising these voices, the government of India has taken important steps, important decision to stop practicing of child labor. It has launched a program called Sarv Shiksha Abhiyan. Government of India has launched a program that name is Sarv Shiksha Abhiyan. Under this program, children get free education besides uniform, bags, books and many other things. Now the chapter is finished. So in this chapter we have discussed what is occupation, how can we earn money, and how many types of occupation are there, and we have learned about what is child labor and how to prevent child labor. Now, before ending of this session, we would like to discuss this let's remember points. First point is saying work done by the people to earn money is called occupation. Members of family do many things together. In a family, parents, children and elderly people divide the works among themselves. Fourth point is apart from their work, they also save some time to do things different from what they do every day. This time is called leisure time. Fifth paragraph is there are many children who are forced to work so that they may earn money for their families. This practice is called child labor. Last point is numerous steps have taken by the government of India to end child labor. What is the meaning of numerous? Important. Numerous means important. Important steps has been taken by the government of India to end up child labor. Now whole chapter is finished. Student, I hope you understand well. Still you have query, you can ask me. Thank you. Have a nice day.